This is the Champion RK-30C repair kit for the 3/4 inch manual anti-siphon valves. Now this kit's going to include the seat washer, packing washer, the float washer, and the 2 red fiber gaskets or O-rings. Now, the kit's also going to come with this little cardboard or paper tag. On the back you will have this little picture breakdown, as well as the list of the items included and where they go. We'll go ahead and start with a couple dimensions. Starting with the float, we'll get a total height as close as I can. Looks like it's going to be right at about 1.25 inches. And then outer diameter across the bottom, going to be right at about 1.1 inches. And then our seat washer, outer diameter, it's going to be right at about 7/8 of an inch. And then thickness or width, going to be right at about 1/4. And going down to our large rubber O-ring, outer diameter is going to be right over 1.5 inches, with an inner diameter right at about 1.25 inches. And our packing washer, and go outer diameter. Outer is going to be right at about 1 inch, and almost just shy of 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch, with an inner diameter right at about just over 1/4. And our red fiber gaskets, these should match. Just make sure. Yeah, those two are going to measure it pretty much exactly the same. So outer diameter going to be right at about 1.5 inches, with an inner diameter of right at 1.25 inches. And once again, this is the Champion RK-30C repair kit for the 3/4 inch manual anti-siphon valves.